is for sheep.
Well done!
Tap the picture that starts with letter A. A is for apple. A is for ant.
Well done!
Tap the picture that starts with letter P. P is for parrot. P is for pencil.
Well done!
Tap the picture that starts with letter B. B is for ball. B is for butterfly.
Well done!
Tap the picture that starts with letter V. V is for violin. V is for van.
Well done!
Tap the picture that starts with letter L. L is for lion. L is for lamp.
Well done!
Tap the picture that starts with letter C. C is for cat. C is for cake.
Well done!
Tap the picture that starts with letter K. K is for kangaroo. K is for king.
Well done!
Tap the picture that starts with letter Y. Y is for yak. Y is for yarn.
Well done!
Tap the picture that starts with letter O. O is for orange. O is for owl.
Well done!
Tap the picture that starts with letter X. X is for X-ray. X is for xylophone.
Well done!
A. 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 is for ant. A is for ant. Owl, the letter B. 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 Wow. B. B is for butterfly. B. 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 B is for ball. Ba, ba, ba. Cannons, let's collect all the letter C. 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 C.